Percentages on a calculator. Percent means out of 100. So 10% means 10 over 100. And so when we work out the percentages, instead of off, we're going to say times. Okay, let's do 35% of 200. We're going to pop in 35. We're going to hit the times button, put in 200, then we're going to shift and press the percentage, which is down here where answer is, and then press equals, giving us 70. Okay, we're going to do 18% of 50. Let's pop 18 in our calculator, multiply by 50, click 5, click 0, and then we press the shift and the percentage button, equals, giving us 9. Now 26% of 1,500. So pop in 26 times 1,500 and then press shift and percent, equals 390.